Hello boss babes and bosses out there. In this video, I'm going to share with you on how to directly pitch to your prospect client. So ano yung step-by-step on how to do it. So basically guys, I already have a video for this pero naka-focus lang yun siya sa Facebook group. So ito yung video na yon. I would highly recommend you guys i-watch nyo yun after ng video na to kasi it's so detailed that when you watch that video and this video will really complement together. Or kung pwede, mas okay na unahin nyo yun siyang i-watch kasi super napaka-detailed ko talagang in-explain kung ano yung i-expect mo if you are going to directly pitch to your client. So again, mas prefer ko na i-watch na lang yun before this video. Okay? So now, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step on how you are going to directly pitch to your potential client. We are going to focus sa mga social media accounts like Facebook group, LinkedIn, or Instagram. So, pwede sa tatlo na yan. Pwede din sa Facebook page or maybe to their website and just get their emails. Yung mga ganun, no? Yes, pwede din. But this is so focused on the social media muna. Okay? The first thing that I would say na dapat meron kayo is that you prepare your lead generation tracker. So what I mean by that, lead generation tracker, it's just basically a list of your potential client, like all the details na kailangan mong malaman in order for you to pitch your services to that potential client. Actually, yung tracker na yon, you can download that one sa website namin or you can just message us so that we can send you the link kung saan siya pwede ma-download, no? Yeah, it's just basically a very simple spreadsheet. Merong tab sa Facebook group, merong tab for Instagram, and merong tab for LinkedIn. Ito kasing tatlong social media platforms na to. Dito, yung mas easy ka makakuha ng mga potential clients. I would highly recommend, no, na you will focus kung saan always naka-hangout yung client mo. You don't have to overwhelm yourself na you have to do every platform. So, if ever makita mo na, ang dami talagang mga prospect clients ko sa Instagram, then just focus lang sa Instagram. Doon ka mag-generate ng leads. Okay? So for the second step is to reach out to them. Maybe you need to follow, you need to react sa mga stories if ever meron siyang mga stories if you're using Instagram. Kung LinkedIn, maybe you need to comment sa mga post nila. For Facebook group, yeah, maybe you can also comment there, like their post, yung mga ganun. Basically, ito yung part wherein the client should know you, that you exist, that your business exists, so that para malaman niya, okay, ang ginagawa pala niya is to manage social media accounts. Yung ganun. So, andito pa tayo sa awareness stage. Na-remember nyo ba yung tinuro ko na buyer's journey? Basically, hindi lang yun siya pang social media post, di ba? Pina-follow ko kayo sa buyer's journey through creating content na nagfa-follow sa journey ng buyer, di ba? Did you get what I mean? Like, kahit ako, nagugulan ako sa pinagsasabi ko. But anyways, hindi lang yun siya i-apply sa pag-create ng content, but also in getting clients or getting leads. The next step is to create a free social media audit. So I already created the video for that. You can watch this one here and follow it. Very simple way on how to create an audit and very detailed na. So I would say that's already good na pwede mong isend kay client. Again, this step sa very important to siya kasi makikita kasi ni client by doing this, you are really willing to help him or her. Kasi sa iba kasi no, you guys, if you don't know social media audit, pinapabayaran to. But again, ikaw, you are willing to do it for free sa client mo. Meaning, gusto mo talagang tumulong na mag-increase ang engagement niya or mag-increase ang followers niya. You can help na mag-increase ang sales niya, yung ganun. So, I would highly recommend na huwag niyo itong skip na phase kasi dito mo madaling mapipitch ang services mo kay client. So the next thing that you need to do after creating a free social media audit sa social media accounts nila, no, I would highly recommend that the next step would be getting their email address. So for example, hindi mo makikita sa website nila or hindi mo makikita sa social media nila kung ano yung email nila, then I would say na you reach out to them, you message them if you can get their email address because you are going to send a free social media audit sa platforms nila. If nagbigay na sila ng email, I would say na sa email mo, of course, i-attach mo din yung free social media audit mo, and don't forget to put at least 3 things that you can do to help the client. Like, kung makita mo low yung engagement niya, suggest 3 actions that you would do para mag-increase yung engagements niya. Yung ganun. The magic 3 na i-discuss mo sa kanya would be so helpful. Kasi makikita niya na alam mo talaga yung ginagawa mo. Did you get what I mean? Like, make sure na yung 3 suggested actions mo or steps mo kung paano mo siya ma-help is good, na ma-feel niya na alam mo talaga yung ginagawa mo. Kasi ito yung pinaka-importante, makita tayo ni client as the expert sa ginagawa natin. Especially if you are still starting. I know you guys always iniisip na you are not sure if expert ka ba talaga, yung mga ganon. But you know what? It's just really, you have to take a leap. Anyways, meron namang maraming tutorials if meron kang hindi alam how to handle this scenario, kung wala masyadong engagements, anong gagawin, kung hindi ka marunong paano gamitin yung software, meron ka namang pwedeng ma-research kung paano siya gamitin. It's just that you really have to take one step at a time ba. Huwag kang mag-doubt sa self mo kasi anyway, lahat naman figure outable, lahat naman matutunan mo. Ayun lang, make sure that your message sa email is so direct and clear, and then meron kang suggestions doon kung ano yung pwede mong magawa to improve their engagement, followers, sales, and all. That's that. So, the next step is that if after mo na-send tapos wala pa talagang response sa free social media audit mo, feel free to send mga follow-up emails. Ako, usually nagpa-follow up ako twice or thrice. I usually send follow-up emails after 5 business days. And then kung wala pa rin, another 3 days. And then kung wala pa rin, another 3 days. And then kung wala talaga, then hindi na ako nag-email after that. Kasi if you kept on messaging them or doing follow-up almost, let's say, 10 times na, like, parang super desperate ka na for that. So, hindi siya magandang i-vibe. So, yung ganun. So, yeah, kung nag-follow up ka na twice or thrice pero wala pa rin, just move on. Baka yung potential client na yon hindi pa ready for that kind of service. Did you get what I mean? Kasi yung level of the business kasi mayroon siyang phase. Maybe wala pa siya sa phase na mag-hire siya ng social media para magka-help sa sales. Yung ganun. Kung mag-email siya or nagka-converse kayo, the next step would be pitch your services, your package. Some of the social media managers binibigay yung package 1, package 2, package 3, but I would highly recommend that you just do a customized package for that person since you already created a social media audit for the client. So, malamang alam mo na kung ano yung need na gawin mo para maka-help ka sa social media presence niya. Okay? Again, customized package na directly. Huwag mo na siyang papilian if gusto mo din yung package 1, package 2, package 3, and all. No. After pitching your package, you reply yan if okay lang ba yung budget or medyo mahal para sa kanya. Like, nag-out of budget siya kung ganun kamahal. So, I would highly recommend if ganun, you can downsell. When I say downsell, it's not that you are going to lower your price. You lower your price, but hindi yung full task. na nilist mo. Like, meron kang i-remove doon sa mga tasks na need mo gawin for that client. Or if ever, meron kayong mga digital products na, like mga templates na, you can just ask your client na, oh, you can buy my templates na lang instead, and then you can do it by your own. Yung ganun. In that case, makikita ni client na hindi ka lang talaga about your money kasi hindi mo pinupush yung price mo talaga. Meron kang alternatives na may bigay sa kanya. And if sabihin niya talaga, no, I'm not ready to take this kind of parang step for my business, and then you just always update your lead generation tracker. Every time na may movement sa mga potential clients mo, you always update that spreadsheet kasi yun yung always babalik-balikan mo if you need another flow of client na naman. And if you can say that your month is already full, like let's say meron ka ng 8 clients for that month, then just say na ilalagay kita sa waiting list for next month kasi I'm already full na. Yung ganun. Para every month, merong flow of clients ka talaga at hindi ka always mazi-zero. So I really hope that this video is so helpful to you guys. Again, you can download the spreadsheet tracker. You can message us so that we can send you the link, or you can just head to our website and download it from there. Don't forget again to watch this video here. Ito yung sa direct pitching ng Facebook group. That's very detailed and I would highly recommend that if you haven't watched that yet, you watch it after now. So if you are following our series, the assignment for today's video is to reach out to at least 3 to 5 clients. So, ang gusto ko na lang na output nito guys is for you to create a lead generation tracker for your clients. At least 3 to 5. Gusto ko lang makita kung ano yung level na sa buyer's journey. I-send nyo lang yung link ng tracker niya. Hindi need na dapat nakabigay na kayo ng social media audit. No, hindi need. As long as nakikita ko na yung kinuha nyo ng mga prospect clients is in line siya sa ginawa nyo na customer avatar. Like, etong taong to, is this the ideal customer ba na ginawa nyo before sa customer avatar natin? Yung ganun. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for following our series. The next video would be how to pitch your service inside sa mga third-party platforms. And yeah, hope to see you guys on my next challenge. Bye!